Look at our eyes.
So what's happening in here?
Another one.
What?
Get out.
We're gonna fight
Luna, are you
here.
gonna fight too? Nick, what's happening here?
We're gonna fight.
Who's fighting?
Oh yeah.
All the guys?
Yeah.
Look,
Who's the bad guy?
who are the bad guys? Come on, what did I tell you? Who are the bad guys?
Doesn't seem like a very fair fight.
He's still standing.